Salut à tous! Hello everyone, this is Quick French Grammar on Polyglot. Today let's learn the verb and prepositions you need to know to tell where you are traveling. Let's start with the verb aller in the present tense. This is a crucial verb for talking about movements. Here are the conjugations. Je vais, tu vas, il, elle ou on va, nous allons, vous allez, il ou elle vont. Then, in order to know what preposition to put before, you need to know the gender of a country. It's very simple. If the country name ends with the letter E, it's feminine. For example, La France. If not, it's masculine. Le Maroc. But there is six exceptions to this rule. Le Mexique, le Mozambique, le Belize, le Zimbabwe, le Suriname, and le Cambodge are masculine names ending in E. Finally, the prepositions between aller and the country or city name. If it is feminine name, en, aller en Suisse. If it is a masculine name, au, aller au Danemark. But there is an exception if it's a masculine name beginning with a vowel. In this case, you will use en, like feminine. Example, aller en Équateur. Then plural country names will go with O with the X at the end. Aux Pays-Bas. And city name with A. Aller à Bruxelles. Now let's finish with an example of conversation between travelers. Où allez-vous en vacances? Je vais au Canada et aux États-Unis, à Boston. Et vous? Nous allons au Pérou, puis en Équateur. That's all for today. Next time we'll see the prepositions between countries and cities name after the verb venir, to come. See you soon. À bientôt.